Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Ifa was consulted to understand what was happening with life. Story. On this path, Olodumare created the world and created all the animals and told them, whoever finds the Jícara, calabash, of life will be the owner of it. In that Jícara are cloths, silver, women. Whoever does good, it will be for themselves and for others. The animals got ready and went to see Runmila, who performed sode, divination for them, and this Odu came out. Òtúrá Méjì, an Ibo was prescribed. Ifa told them that if they didn't do this, they would never discover the Guiro of life. The fish refused to perform Ibo, and all those who desired life came to consult Runmila, and to all of them came out Òtúrá Méjì, and yet none agreed to perform the Ibo. Only the man who was the last to get divined performed Ibo. When he finished, Runmila handed him 2 staffs and said, "If you see the fish, animals, or snakes fighting, separate them." While traveling, the man saw fish, buffaloes, and lions fighting along the way, and did not separate them. But one day, as he was walking, he saw 2 birds fighting over a guira, calabash, entangled between their legs. He took the 2 staffs and threw them at the birds. They separated, and the guira fell to the ground. The man picked it up and realized it was life. The man found the strength and everything necessary to reach Agbodun, becoming more powerful than all the creatures, at times even more than the Risas, for he obtained the secrets that calm them and prevent accidents, poisonings, and so on. All the animals had to accept man as king and remain beneath him. Man succeeded in dominating nature. That's why this Odu is called Ajite Paere, of life. Note: in this Odu, one must never neglect to perform sacrifices, Ibo,